Top 8 Best Welding Knee Pad. Though you do most of your welding standing, there are times when you need to kneel to weld effectively. In such cases, your knees need protection from jagged surfaces, sharp metal edges, red-hot metal and many other similar risks associated with welding. Getting the best knee pads for welding can be a tricky business. The market is awash with hundreds of knee pad brands, so selecting the best of these safety devices is not a walk in the park. But that is only true if you don't really know what to look for as you scout around for the leading knee pads in the market. With that sorted out, which are the best knee pads for welding 2021? Here we review 8 of what we have found to the best knee pads for this type of job. For each knee pad, we give you the upsides and of course the downsides so that you make an informed purchase decision. 1. NoCry Professional Knee Pads with heavy-duty foam padding and comfortable gel cushion. When you are looking for reliable as well as dependable knee pads with all the necessary features to protect your knees, NoCry Professional is really hard to beat. It is flexible and super easy to adjust to your knees. Especially, it has been designed for both safety and comfort. It comes with a heavy-duty poly shield that protects your knees from cuts and scrapes. Using these knee pads you can work on flooring, carpeting, cleaning, gardening, welding, and more. You can use this home and job both. NoCry has built these knee pads for heavy use, which is really great for the professional welder. It comes with soft gel and durable EVA foam padding to give your knees comfort and ergonomic support. You won't feel tired because of its high-quality material even if you use this a full day long. With NoCry Professional, you get an aesthetic as well as long-lasting durable knee pads since it comes with heavyweight nylon thread. These high-quality knee pads will not only protect your knees but also protect the welding floor from damage. 2. RNF Supply Knee Pads for Work, Superior Joint and Knee Pain Protection. RNF Supply knee pads are a very good choice for those looking for a pair of comfortable as well as affordable knee pads since they come with the highest density foam and gel comfort pads. It has a puncture-resistant outer shell to give you maximum protection from sparks and sharp objects. Neoprene comfort straps give you full support while you are working hard and they protect your joints and knees from the pain. You can even wear them all day long without any discomfort and cutting off your blood circulation, but they will stay exactly where you want. They have used nylon, PVC, neoprene, gel foam as material. These knee pads are machine washable, so you can easily clean sweat, odors, grime and so on. The pads are considerably bigger than the conventional knee pads you will find on the market. A large pad means much protection and the pads come in one size that fits all. So you don't have to be worried about the size. With RNB Supply, you get at least a 1-year money-back guarantee. So, it's a great opportunity indeed. Because most of the neoprene knee pads come with only 30 days guarantee where they are providing 1 year. This is because they are pretty confident about this product. 3. Sellstrom KneePro Knee Pads, Ultra Flex 3, Heavy-Duty Protection and Comfort for Construction. The Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 is the best choice for anyone in the hunt for a pair of quality welding knee pads. It has been designed with very high-quality materials and also with the interest of users in mind to ensure they are safe and comfortable when using these knee pads. The knee pads from Sellstrom come with amazing features, and one of them which is very prominent is the hard outer plastic shell and which is super strong and durable. With these knee pads, you get maximum protection and comfort when you kneel, squat, or crawl. The high-quality materials have made the knee pads perfect for professional as well as beginner welders. One of the reasons you should consider the knee pads above others is that Sellstrom UltraFlex 3 has a soft padding that is 3/4 inch thick, triple layer, and has a closed cell foam pad that provides safety and comfort of both. It comes with soft elastic woven straps and can be adjusted well quickly using the speed clip. You will get ease of movement when kneeling or walking because the knee pads have been built with a metal rivet hinge. The unisex color of the Sellstrom Ultra 3 knee pads makes it attractive and appealing to the eyes. It is super comfortable to use because it is lightweight and doesn't weigh too much. One of the most important things you should have noticed about Sellstrom is that they are dedicated to producing super high quality products that have to do with welding. 4. CLC Custom Leathercraft 313 Heavy Duty Leather Knee Pads, Double Thick Lining. The Custom Leathercraft is another excellent alternative if you are looking for heavy duty knee pads. It is lightweight, comfortable, durable, and you will get value for your money. These high-quality, professional-grade leather knee pads are built with double-thick felt padding to give the user maximum comfort all day long. The straps are made of original leather and you can adjust it with steel buckles. To strengthen the straps, they have used heavy-duty stitching. Using CLC knee pads, you get the highest protection and comfort. If you wear these knee pads, your knees are safe from many dangers. Either you are working or running, they never get slide down for the super quality leather straps they have used to make this product. Perfect for indoor and outdoor and underwater welding jobs. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of CLC knee pads. Some users have complained they have used cardboard instead of leather, and sometimes the knee pads get to slide down and need to adjust them frequently. 5. ToughBuilt Gelfit thigh support stabilization knee pads. The sporty look of the ToughBuilt knee pads will surely catch your attention. So, if you have ever thought that knee pads aren't fashionable, throw the idea in the trash and grab the ToughBuilt thigh support and stabilized knee pads immediately. Set aside the look, this pair of knee pads is still a formidable competitor for the tag of best knee pads for welders, thanks to its premium design, durability, safety and comfort. First off, the knee pads are made of PVC frame with EVA foam. Both offer maximum protection to knee and thighs in the harshest working environments. Also, the shape of the knee pads resembles the natural structure of the human shin, knee and thigh. It distributes the working pressure evenly so that the wearer can enjoy maximized comfort. Also, the gel cushion with EVA foam keeps stress and fatigue far away. The strap buckle system fits snugly without stopping the blood circulation. So, you won't feel tired soon. What's more, the strap is quickly adjustable for any size and position. It stays put on place during the frequent position changes. So, you won't have to waste time adjusting the knee pads every time you stand from kneeling down to standing and vice versa. Also, the lightweight and flexible design provide maximum mobility when you work. It is incredibly helpful for working in construction sites, welding workshops, gardens and so on. 6. VUINO professional knee pads. Whether you are a construction site worker or welder, keep your knees safe in the extremest conditions with the VUINO professional knee pads pair. When you kneel down on concrete floors or on challenging situations, the safety features of the knee pads ensure your 100% protection. It is made with the non-slip feature. The main construction is accomplished with the heavy-duty PVC for shielding. So, cracks, glasses, splinters, etc. remain at bay from you. The core has gels for further protection. Moreover, the cushioning is made with EVA foam. The EVA foam has a high density for further protection. Also, the cushioning makes sure your knee feels comfortable and coziness even if you have to kneel down for hours. So, you will love working without having to worry about your convenience while working, as it frees you from fatigue and stress. For a quick and comfortable fit, the knee pads are equipped with Velcro. It lets you put in the knee pads quickly. Also, the tight Velcro fitting won't displace while working, which is an excellent relief for welders during the welding time. Its hook and loop tapes ensure it fits on every knee size at ease. Hence, you will love the comfortable adjustment. Lastly, VUINO offers a superior polyester-made storage bag to store and carry the knee pads when you are not at work. In short, you will love every aspect of the knee pads while working. 7. Thunderbolt knee pads for work. For comfort and safety, you might want a premium set of knee pads while welding, gardening or working in construction sites. Well, you might help yourself with the Thunderbolt knee pads set for all these purposes. Its updated materials and high-quality design make sure you love the smallest aspects of the knee pad at work. To begin with, its ergonomic design has been lately updated to offer you maximum comfort. It supports the crucial patella tendon during the long working hour. Its core equips with the gel support that offers maximum comfort. Also, the soft gel core along with the EVA foam shielding come forward in assuring total protection of the knee from any hazards. It has high walls which offer safety on each side of your knee plus up and down the knee section. Its stitching has also been reinforced for further safety purposes. The thick PVC shielding protects your knee and clothes from unnecessary damages. You will feel safe from nails, debris, screws and glasses. So, you can give total attention to the work instead of worrying about your knee safety anymore. Last but not least, the professional fastening system is made of neoprene straps. It is easily adjustable. Also, you can frequently change your position from kneeling to stand without disturbing the belt. So, it remains in position throughout the day. 8. To see safety flex work knee foam padding pads. Did you love the knee pad of MJ in his famous Criminal song? Well, we see no reasons for disliking those immortal padding designs. The To See Safety Flex knee padding seems to have taken their design inspiration from MJ and made it look such fantastic that we loved it. You not only remain safe while welding with the knee pads on but also pose for some photographs to advertise your workshop and welding service. Its foam cushion has dual density to ensure maximum protection from screws, nails, glasses and other piercing materials. Also, the cushion has gel foam to offer you comfort when you kneel for long working hours. One feature that sets apart the To See knee pads in a different league is their ventilation. Its air vent mechanism ensures air supply in the knee and thigh sections. So, you feel a cool breeze that minimizes the heating effect of welding jobs. Additionally, the quick adjustment of the straps supports easy putting in of the knee pads. Also, the strap makes sure it stays put in the knee without moving. Its flexibility allows you comfortable mobility in harsh working conditions better. To protect your body from injuries, you must have to use protective equipment while welding. The knees are the most vulnerable part of the body, so there is no alternative way than using a pair of knee pads. It is the most essential safety equipment that most of professional welders can't do without. However, whichever knee pads you decide to choose, you should consider going for the best one that will give you the maximum protection and comfort as well. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video.